In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a Facebook business profile picture, 5 minutes. First, open a browser and go to business.facebook.com. This takes you into Facebook's business hub where you manage assets like pages and ad accounts. Once you're on the home page, look for the settings option. It usually appears as a gear icon in the left sidebar or near the bottom of the navigation. Click it to open your business settings. Inside settings, find and select business info. This area holds your core business identity details, including your profile picture. Next, click edit to make changes. You'll see options related to your profile image. Go ahead and choose edit profile picture. Before you upload, let's quickly talk about what makes a strong business profile picture. Use a clean, high-resolution image, ideally a square file so it displays well across devices. A minimum of 512 by 512 pixels keeps it crisp. Larger is fine as long as it's clear. If you're using a logo, a transparent PNG on a solid background often looks professional and helps with clarity. Keep the design simple with strong contrast, avoiding tiny text or intricate details that get lost when the image appears small. Remember, profile pictures on Facebook are shown in a circle, so leave some breathing room around the edges to prevent cropping important elements. Center your logo or subject and stick to your brand colors to make it instantly recognizable. Now when you're ready, drag and drop your image into the upload area or click to choose the file from your device. Make sure you're selecting the final version. That saves you time and keeps your brand consistent. If your image looks dark or washed out, consider brightening it slightly before uploading to help it stand out in feeds and comments. Also, avoid busy backgrounds that compete with your logo or face. Once your file is in place and you're happy with the preview, click submit. Facebook will process the change and your new profile picture should appear shortly. If you manage multiple pages or locations, double check you're updating the correct business profile before submitting. A quick wrap up, go to business.facebook.com, open settings, head to business info, click edit, then edit profile picture. Upload a clean, square, high contrast image that fits within a circular crop and click submit. After it updates, view your page on both desktop and mobile to confirm it looks sharp everywhere. That's all you need to present a polished, professional identity on Facebook.